Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a main idea and detail worksheet using one of Storyboard that's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we are going to pick out a template that we like. Now we have a bunch of great options here, but I think I'm going to go with this star option. Just click the copy template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update the text, make any changes that we want to. So let's add a character to start. So if we go up to our characters menu, I think I'm going to search in the jobs category, and we have a nice big star, so I think I'm going to add an astronaut. So we can scroll through. Alright, we have one right here. So to add a character, just drag and drop them into your storyboard. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update pose, angles, facial expressions, change colors, whatever it is we would like to do. So I'd like to have my astronaut floating in space. And let's give them some color. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Now when you're all done making your changes, just click Update Pose, and there's our character. Now we can move them anywhere we want within our storyboard, as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of the image, and there we go. We can also rotate our character. If you look on the top center, there's this little button that's right above. Just click and drag this to rotate. Alright, there we go. Now next is items. Now you can browse the items menu up top and go through all of these fun categories. But if there's something specific that you would like, you can search for it in the upper right hand search menu. Alright, now I think I'd like to add a spaceship. So let's stay in the items menu, go over to our vehicles category, and let's find a spaceship. Alright, we got some options here. Let's go with something a little bit more realistic. So I'm just going to drag this option down. Alright, and now we can update. Now with some of our items we have some image options. So we go to our right hand menu and we can click here. And we can change it to have its wheels open. We can have it ready for launch, actually launching off. So I think I'm going to go with the wheels open. And let's update the color a little bit too. Now we have these pre-selected options here, which are pretty nice. But if there's a specific color that you would like, you can click this color box on the right and make any color that you would like. Now I think I just want this to be plain white. Now white and black will always be saved. So let's select white and we're all set. Just click update image. Alright, there we go. Let's make this just a touch smaller. Just like our character, just drag the corner of the image and we're all set. Alright, now next is the background. Now this is a pretty simple template that does not have a scene or color built into it. So let's just add our own. If we go up to our scenes menu, I think I would like to add a starry night sky. So it looks like they're floating in space. So let's go over to the outdoor category and we have a scene right here. So just like our character, drag and drop, and you can edit the scene right here. So I think I'd like to take this moon out. So if you go to your right hand menu, click edit scene, we can make the moon disappear. And maybe change the color. I think I'm going to go with this blue. That's kind of fun. Just click update scene and we're all set. Now I'd like this scene to fill the entire frame. So if we go back to our right hand menu, let's click stretch to fill and update our scene here. So we can click non-proportional, which will squish our scene a little bit, but I don't think that's too distracting. I'd like to have all the stars in place, so let's go with that. Click OK, and now with our scene in place, let us send this all the way to the back. Alright, there we go. Now last but not least is text. Now you can update any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is click on them and you can put in your own words. But if you want to put any additional text boxes, all you have to do is search for them in the speech bubble menu right here and go through any one of these categories. Now I think I'd like to give my star here a main idea. So we have a bit of a theme with space, so let's call this space travel. There we go. Now I'd like to change the font as well as make this text just a little bit bigger. So to do that, just highlight what you would like to change, go over to your text editor, and let's grab a new font. Let's go with something clean and a little futuristic. All right, I think this one is nice. And let's make this a little bit bigger. I think 48 should be okay. That's a little too big. It's starting to push things around, and it's on 2 lines. So let's bring this down a little bit. All right, perfect. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your template, all you have to do is click the Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a main idea and detail template using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.